Ever wondered how to catapult your affiliate earnings to a staggering $10,000 a month or more? This is John Crestani, and today I'm going to share the secrets that can elevate you to the coveted status of a super affiliate marketer. These are strategies I've honed over years of experience, and I've seen countless others reach impressive heights by following them. I started my journey in the affiliate marketing landscape back in 2009. And it wasn't until 3 years later that I saw substantial commissions roll in. This journey can be grueling without the right guidance and know-how, but luckily, I've pieced together a winning formula. And now I'm here to share 3 simple steps that can help you reach the $10,000 monthly milestone. For a little context, I've been raking in hundreds of thousands per month since around 2015, and believe me, it's a game changer. But now, it's time to delve into the details. Step 1. Forge relationships with other super affiliates. This is absolutely vital. By building connections with those who've already mastered the game, you gain access to priceless insights and strategies that no course can offer. Be present at industry events like Affiliate Summit or Affiliate World. Engage in conversations, offer value, and ensure you're in the company of success because success breeds success. Step 2. Stay abreast of the latest strategies. In this rapidly evolving industry, yesterday's winning strategy might be today's dud. Keep yourself informed about the latest ad platforms, trends, and techniques. Invest in courses from proven experts and never undervalue the power of continuous learning. Remember, knowledge is your competitive advantage. And finally, step 3. Master the art of split testing. This is where many stumble. Instead of pursuing quick fixes, dedicate yourself to testing, refining, and optimizing your campaigns without pause. Treat every failure as a lesson, guiding you closer to the strategies that work best. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. There you have it. Follow these steps, remain committed, and watch your affiliate income skyrocket. And if you're hungry for more, join my Monday live streams where I share exclusive tips and even give away goodies to those who participate actively. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you won't miss my next live session. Until then, keep hustling, stay focused, and I'll catch up with you soon. Here's to a productive day.